When it comes to profitable farming ventures, broccoli often stands out as a promising crop. With growing demand for healthy, nutritious vegetables, many small and mid-sized farmers are asking, how much money can you really make from just 1 acre of broccoli? Today, we dive deep into the economics of broccoli farming, explore the key factors that influence your profit, and give you a realistic breakdown to help you decide if broccoli could be your next big opportunity. Let's begin by understanding why broccoli is such a popular choice for commercial growers. Broccoli thrives in cool climates and is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a staple in health-conscious diets. Its relatively short growing cycle and the ability to harvest multiple heads per plant in some varieties further increase its appeal. But before planting the first seed, it's crucial to know what you're getting into, especially from a financial perspective. First, let's look at how much broccoli you can expect to produce from 1 acre of land. On average, with good farming practices, an acre of broccoli can yield between 8,000 to 12,000 pounds, or about 4 to 6 tons of fresh broccoli heads. This number depends on several factors, including seed variety, soil quality, climate, irrigation, pest management, and overall crop care. For our calculations, let's use a conservative estimate of 10,000 pounds per acre. Now, how much can you sell broccoli for? Broccoli prices fluctuate depending on your market. If you're selling directly to consumers at farmers markets or through community-supported agriculture, CSA programs, you might fetch anywhere from $1.50 to $3 per pound. Wholesale prices, such as selling to supermarkets or distributors, are generally lower, typically ranging from 50 cents to $1 per pound. For our example, let's assume an average wholesale price of 75 cents per pound. So, with a yield of 10,000 pounds and a wholesale price of 75 cents, your gross revenue per acre comes to $7,500. But that's just the top line. To understand your potential profit, we need to dive into the costs involved. Let's break down the main expenses. 1. Seeds and transplants. High-quality broccoli seed or starter plants are vital. You'll need about 20,000 to 30,000 plants per acre, depending on spacing. Seeds and transplants can cost between $400 and $700 per acre. 2. Fertilizer and soil amendments. Broccoli is a heavy feeder, requiring ample nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilizer and soil amendments can run between $300 and $500 per acre. 3. Irrigation. Depending on your location and water source, irrigation costs can vary significantly. On average, expect to spend about $200 to $400 per acre for water and irrigation maintenance. 4. Pest and disease management. Broccoli is susceptible to pests like cabbage worms and aphids, as well as diseases such as clubroot. Pest control, whether organic or conventional, can add another $150 to $300 per acre. 5. Labor. Labor is a significant cost, covering planting, weeding, irrigation, pest monitoring, and most importantly, harvesting. Broccoli must be harvested at the right time for peak freshness. Labor costs can range from $1,000 to $2,500 per acre, depending on your region and the availability of seasonal workers. 6. Equipment and fuel. If you already own basic farm equipment, costs will be lower. Otherwise, renting or maintaining tractors, sprayers, and other tools can add $300 to $700 per acre. 7. Packaging and transport. Broccoli is perishable and requires careful handling. Boxes, ice, and transportation to market or distribution centers can cost another $400 to $800 per acre. 8. Land rent or opportunity cost. If you're renting land, factor in the cost, which can range from $100 to $400 per acre. Adding up these expenses gives us a total production cost of roughly $3,000 to $6,000 per acre, depending on your operation, input costs, and local conditions. Let's use a mid-range figure of $4,500 per acre for our example. Now, let's calculate your net profit. With gross revenue of $7,500 and production costs of $4,500, your net profit per acre is approximately $3,000. That's a healthy margin, especially when compared to other row crops like corn or soybeans, which often yield lower profits per acre. But the story doesn't end here. Your actual profit can vary based on several key factors. Market access. Selling directly to consumers can double or even triple your per pound price, but requires more time, marketing, and possibly cold storage. Crop rotation and season extension. Planting broccoli as part of a rotation or using season extension techniques like high tunnels can increase yields and improve soil health. Value-added products. Processing broccoli into florets, slaw, or ready-to-cook meals can boost your returns, though it may require additional investment in equipment and food safety certifications. Weather and pest pressure. Unexpected weather events or pest outbreaks can reduce yields or increase costs, so risk management and crop insurance are important considerations. Let's talk about some strategies to maximize your profits from broccoli farming. 1. Choose the right variety. Select broccoli types suited to your climate and market demand. Some varieties are bred for larger heads, while others allow multiple side shoot harvests, extending your picking window. 2. Soil preparation. Invest in soil testing and amend your fields to the proper pH and nutrient levels. Healthy soil leads to stronger plants and higher yields. 3. Efficient irrigation. Use drip irrigation or other water-saving methods to reduce costs and prevent disease. 4. Integrated pest management. Monitor fields regularly and use biological controls to limit pesticide use and reduce costs. 5. Direct marketing. If possible, sell at local farmers markets, to restaurant, or through CSA programs for higher prices. 6. Post-harvest handling. Cool and pack broccoli quickly after harvest to maintain quality and reduce losses. Finally, it's important to keep records of all your inputs, labor, yields, and sales. Detailed records will help you analyze what's working, identify areas for improvement, and support your business if you seek financing or grants. In summary, 1 acre of broccoli, managed efficiently, can generate a net profit of around $3,000 or more, depending on your market, yield, and costs. With careful planning, attention to detail, and smart marketing, broccoli can be a highly rewarding crop for both new and experienced farmers. If you're considering starting or expanding your farm, take the time to research, network with other growers, and perhaps visit local markets to learn what consumers in your area are looking for. The journey to a successful broccoli harvest starts with knowledge, preparation, and a willingness to adapt. Thank you for joining us today to explore the potential profits from 1 acre of broccoli. To stay updated with more smart agriculture insights, tips, and real-world case studies, keep following for more content. Remember, with the right approach, even a single acre can yield impressive rewards.